everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be reviewing the Farmacy Brighten Up 3% TXA Dark Spot Toner with azelaic acid and PHA. Farmacy very kindly sent this over as part of PR, and I am not getting paid to share my thoughts and opinions with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. If you have yet to subscribe, be sure to subscribe down below and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there's a brand new upload. Farmacy describes this as a visibly brightening, gently resurfacing toner with 3% tranexamic acid that's clinically shown to reduce the appearance of dark spots in as little as 7 days. You can find this at Sephora.com, PharmacyBeauty.com, and it will all be linked for you down below. This retails for $34 for a 4-ounce unit or 120 ml. However, if you do use my code Nadia20 at PharmacyBeauty.com, you can save 20% off, making this $27.20. This is an affiliate code and I do make a very small commission from each sale that helps support my channel. This code works for your entire purchase, so not just the toner alone. And I honestly think those of you who have used my code, it absolutely means the world to me. I never know who purchases or what you purchase, but I do know when my code is used, so I am incredibly thankful for those who have used my code in the past. Farmacy suggests that you swipe onto clean, dry skin morning and evening, making sure to avoid the eye area. This is a leave-on treatment, so do not rinse. You may follow it with your favorite serum or moisturizer, but do make sure to apply your SPF daily. This brightening toner contains some of the best ingredients available. There are no sensitizing or irritating ingredients included in this formula. We do see a number of antioxidants, anti-agers, hydrators, and skin brightening ingredients. I love that we see gluconolactone, a PHA, or a polyhydroxy acid. It is as effective as an AHA, but less sensitizing, making this a great exfoliant for those with sensitive skin due to its larger molecular size. We see tranexamic acid. When topically applied, this helps to fade discoloration, dark spots, brown and gray patches. It may also help to reduce redness. When used in a concentration between 2 and 5%, it may produce results similar to hydroquinone. Hydroquinone, as some of you may have known, was taken off the shelves and can now only be obtained via prescription. Hydroquinone, however, is a very sensitizing ingredient. Here we see 3% tranexamic acid, which the skin tolerates much better than hydroquinone, and it may also help to reduce redness throughout the skin. We also see azelaic acid here, an antioxidant that's similar to tranexamic acid here, helps to reduce sensitivity-induced redness. Azelaic acid helps to reduce post-inflammation hyperpigmentation, gently exfoliates the skin, improving the skin's texture. I first used this on February 17th, and I noted that it felt a lot thicker than Deep Sleep, Farmacy's pore clearing toner. I will link my review to that toner up above in case you have oily, problematic skin or congested pores. I did not detect a scent from this upon my initial application. This gave my skin a very healthy, luminous glow, and I don't remember feeling any stickiness around this time. This did not tingle at all upon application or when I applied other products over top. I will say that at around the same time that I began this test, I also began using the Ula Enriksen Transform Dewtopia 5% acid firming night cream. A gentle exfoliating moisturizer that gave my skin a natural, very natural glow the next day. However, the Farmacy toner here gave my skin the glow I look for in all of my skincare products. I did continue to use this during the rest of the month of February, and I failed at taking notes because I was actually anxiously prepping for our vacation or holiday. So I did manage to take this with me. Now, I did not take the actual unit. I did kind of empty some of the product out in a travel-friendly unit. This is glass, so this is quite heavy, and I needed all of the weight for other things like clothes and shoes. So I made sure to pour some of this product into a much smaller container. I did jot down some notes on March 13th, which is the day after I got back from vacation, where I noted that this toner helped to lighten 3 spots here above. Now, of course, I have makeup now, but I had 3 very stubborn spots from breakouts right after Valentine's Day because I think I wore like a beanie and that broke me out. That could have been it. I've had these stubborn spots here since then. So on March 13th, I noted that the Brighten Up 3% TXA toner helped to brighten out those spots above my brow. This also worked very, very well alongside my Drunk Elephant products. Now, those were the products that I took with me on holiday. It's a range I trust no matter what climate I'm around or in. Where we went, it was summertime, so those products worked very well alongside this. Plus, those products come in travel size. So like I said, I needed as much space for clothes and shoes. This worked very well in warmer, I would say drier as well. It was a dry heat where we were for a certain period of time, and then we traveled to a lake, and this worked nicely in, I would say, a little bit more humid weather. This did not dry out my skin. It did not sensitize or irritate my skin at all, despite a change in temperatures, since in California, at least right now, we've had like the wettest winter since I remember, maybe about 10 years. Drastic change in weather, and this didn't dry out, irritate, or sensitize my skin. While away, however, I did notice that this can be a little sticky, a little tacky, and I don't think that the warmer temperatures highlighted that for me because I have still been using this now for well over 2 weeks since arriving back home from holiday, and last night I did note that this felt like sticky and tacky over my skin. If you don't follow it with a serum or a moisturizer, this is going to feel sticky and tacky. However, once I applied my serum and my moisturizer at night, it felt slightly less tacky. If stickiness or tackiness in a product is a deal breaker for you, this will probably not be something that you enjoy over your skin. I feel like over time, perhaps Farmacy may launch a travel size unit, so maybe give that a go before you pick up a full size of this, if stickiness and tackiness is not your favorite. I will say that I am wearing this under makeup today, and I don't feel sticky or tacky, and I am wearing one of the stickiest vitamin C serums in my collection, and I am not feeling sticky or uncomfortable at all. And you can see a little bit of a glow just kind of peeking through in certain areas. From use, I have noted balanced, brighter, and an overall improvement in the post-inflammation, hyperpigmentation, any stubborn spots above my brow that I mentioned, and just overall clarity of my skin. Today, as I was getting ready to film, I just noticed a nice clarity on my skin. So I am obsessed with this. Throughout my vacation, like I said, I did use this with Drunk Elephant serums, Good Molecules SPF, Protini moisturizer, and I had no issues. This worked well with the Good Molecules SPF, and it has worked beautifully with the Dr. Loretta SPF, which has been a favorite of mine. I did use this at night with oils such as the Alpha H Golden Haze face oil and also the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula oils. No complaints. This did not cause any products applied over top to pill or flake for me. My favorite time of day to use this is definitely during the day. I love to do a water cleanse if I didn't work out, but if I did work out, I will use the Paula's Choice Gentle Cleanser. Then I will pat this over clean, dry skin. Just a nice layer. I will also bring it down to the neck and décolleté. I did do that quite a bit since I was exposed to the sun quite a bit while on vacation. And then I would go in with C Firma Fresh, the stickiest vitamin C serum in my collection. I would apply this and I would have the most luminous, dewy glow to the skin, which I personally prefer. If you do not want to look so dewy and luminous, I would not pair both of those together. But if you love that look just like I do, then you're gonna love that. And then I'd go in with the Protini Polypeptide Cream. I loved that despite it being so kind of hot and warm while I was away. And here I still do that, even though it's a lot cooler. It's in the 60s here. Then I'd go in with my Mirrored Eye Serum. And I'd go in with the Farmacy Wake Up Honey Eye Cream. I did review this a couple of weeks ago, so I will link that up above in case you are looking for a brand new eye cream. And then I go in with the Good Molecules SPF. My skin looked luminous, plump, bright. Absolutely love. I would recommend this to all skin types struggling with uneven tone, post-inflammation, hyperpigmentation, dull, dry skin, even post-inflammation redness as well. I do also think that sensitive skin may benefit from something like this, as it may help to reduce redness while also helping to promote an even tone and also gently exfoliating the skin with that gluconolactone. I love that the unit here is recyclable. You want to rinse the jar, you want to separate the glass and the stopper here, and you may recycle the bottle and the outer packaging. You can send the cap over to pharmacy via TerraCycle, and you can email recycle@pharmacybeauty.com for a free prepaid shipping label. Gotta love a brand that is earth conscious, an earth loving brand. This brightening toner is gentle and effective. Again, it helped to lighten those stubborn spots here in 7 days, and it gave my skin a similar glow to the one I got from the 10% waterless vitamin C serum, also by Farmacy. I will link my review to that up above in case you are looking for a stable vitamin C serum. I'm sure that you can layer both of those products together for more of a brightening effect and more of a luminous finish to the skin. This gave my skin a very luminous glow, which, as you already know, I love. And this is easy to use. You can use it with cotton pads or with your bare hands on clean, dry skin. My favorite method of application was with my hands. Cons here, again, slightly sticky and tacky, may be a deal breaker for some, but I do feel that once you apply your serum, your moisturizer, your SPF, the stickiness can be minimized, just as it is for me right now. It is definitely less bothersome. However, if you do not apply anything over top this toner, the stickiness, the tackiness, I feel like it will linger. And in hot, humid climates, that can be a deal breaker. And although sticky, I personally didn't feel like it was bothersome or so bothersome that I needed to completely rinse this product off when using this overnight. I have had to do that with other products, but this was not one of them. I am rating the Farmacy Brighten Up 3% TXA Dark Spot Toner a 10 out of 10. This is fragrance, drying alcohol, and sensitizing / irritating ingredient free. This helped to lighten post-inflammation hyperpigmentation and post-inflammation redness, and it also helped to minimize the longevity of post-inflammation hyperpigmentation or redness, as I did use it on breakouts while I was on holiday. I had 2 breakouts here, which I did not extract. I let those 2 live their best lives on my face because I was just having a good time on holiday. I was not like looking at myself in the mirror as I do here on the daily, literally at night. So I just let those things live their best lives, and I feel like the inflammation was lessened, and so was the redness. And I feel that because I didn't extract those breakouts, I didn't have a ton of post-inflammation hyperpigmentation, which I did with these breakouts here. Overall, I think that my skin looks more even after 4 weeks of use. It looks clear, brighter, more even toned, and I have almost used half the unit. I feel like I am down to all the way here. I will continue to use this in place of a hydrating toner. If I do change my rating or my thoughts, I will be sure to update you all in a pinned comment down below. Let me know if you have used this product by Farmacy in the comments down below. How did you use this? What were your results? And would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss down below. Thank you all so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. That is all I've got for you all today. I will see you in the next one. Bye. I kindly sent this as part of with 3 for a floor. What is this? Oh, is my mic on? Yes, it is.